Let's see how to convert a Google Docs file into Microsoft Word document. First off, you want to open Google Docs. And as you can see, right here, we have our file ready. Now let's say that we want to save this file and open it in Microsoft Word under the docx file extension. So what we can do is click on File. Now click on Download. And here you will see the different formats which you can save your file. And since we want to open it in Microsoft Word, we want to select .docx as our file format to make sure that it is compatible with the most recent version of Microsoft Word. Now simply click on this one, and you'll see right here, it will pop up and show that your file has been downloaded. Now simply click on that file to open it, and that should open up in your Microsoft Word. And that is how you can convert a Google Docs file into Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.